Chhattisgarh, a beautiful state that is so underrated and remains largely unexplored by tourists. I travelled with a women's group in collaboration with Chattisgarah Tourism to spend 4 days exploring its raw nature, majestic waterfalls, tribal culture, and some of its unknown history. My journey began as I left Raipur airport, heading towards Sirpur to explore an ancient site called Surang Tilla, an ancient city known for its archaeological ruins containing Hindu and Buddhist monuments from early 6th century. At the top is a temple with 4 shivlings in 4 different colors: white, black, red and yellow. We finally reached the resort at 2 a.m. The sound of the roaring waterfall got me all excited, and I could hardly wait to see what it looked like in the morning.
Finally, here at the beautiful Chitrokoot Waterfalls.
Chitrokoot Waterfall is the widest waterfall in India, located in Bastar district on the Indravati river. This waterfall is often referred to as the Niagara Falls of India. A boat ride on this falls with the local fishermen is definitely worth an experience.
Oh my god, we are like that close to the waterfall. मीठा है
ना।
हाँ, अच्छा लगा। हाँ, हमको दारू नहीं बनाने का है।
ठीक है।
वो अभी पिएगा हम थोड़ा। So I finally found the local speciality, which is the red hands chutney. I'm gonna give it a try. It's freaking me out a little because there's still some of them walking around alive. Whoa! Oh, there's a live one. So here goes. Woo! It's tangy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a little tangy, spicy. That's about as bizarre I can eat. Okay, here goes. Cheers to Mahua.
Cheers, cheers.
Second वाली है. Here goes. Cheers. Cheers.
अरे you tell him cheers, he'll put it in here.
इधर जाए कौन के जाए
यही
तेरे का नहीं
चलिए अच्छे घर जाइए, बाहर तक नहीं सोना है।
It tastes like bhang or what? हाँ चढ़ने वाली तो ये भी है.
Mix हो गया हम.
I spent the rest of the afternoon mingling and joking with the locals, and even tried their local homemade brew called maua and landa, made from the maua flour and rice respectively. It was then time to head on to my next destination, the beautiful Chitrokoot Waterfalls, just before sunset. The evening ended with the resort organizing a tribal dance performed by the locals. I spent the evening dancing to the tabla beats, dressed like a local and enjoying the sound of the ghunguru on my feet.
राइट स्टेप इधर देखिए इधर देखो इधर देखिए
Life is about living on the edge and enjoying the view. Perfect start to my day at the top of the falls. Before leaving for my next destination, I decided to go for one more boat ride since I enjoyed the experience so much the previous day. Late morning, we left for Gangrial Dam, a reservoir popular for water sports. We checked into our beautiful cottages overlooking the dam, where I enjoyed the evening, speeding into the sunset. I woke up early next morning to enjoy a beautiful sunrise overlooking the reservoir. A hearty breakfast later at the Chattisgarah Tourism Resort, and it was time to leave for the airport, but not before a quick stopover to buy some local handicrafts and sculptures.
They take this in the jungles and walk.
This generally it works in both ways. No? It's a stick also.
Okay.
And it creates sound, so generally
One for the local.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye now.